guys, welcome to today's makeup tutorial featuring this super bright, glittery, Barbie inspired makeup look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you do, please give me a like and please subscribe. Thank you. So I've already got in with my foundation and I'm just going to take my Cut Crease Concealer from Revolution. I just find this just gives you coverage as well. So I'm just going to set that with a bit of powder. I'm just going in with the Mercier translucent powder. Just to make sure there's no creasing. I'm just setting it really lightly as well. I don't want it to be too full on. I'm just going to do the same for my eyelids. Just make sure they're nice inside. And then my jawline too. And just my smile lines because that's always an issue for me. So then I'm going to go in with the Stacey Marie palette, Carnival palette. And I'm just going to take the shade Funky, which is a neon pink shade, and I'm just going to pop that onto a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to pop that straight onto my eye, focusing on the outer corner of my eye, and do the same on this side. Love this colour, it just gives me such Barbie vibes. So I'm still just building up that funky shade. And then I'm just going to take a straight angled brush and I'm just going to go in with the shade Pep Talk. Just slightly paler than Funky. And I'm actually just going to pop this on the inner part of my eye. And this one is like a true neon colour, as you can tell. And I'm just packing that all over my lid. I love how pigmented these colours are. I'm just going to go back in with that pink blending brush and just buff that colour up a bit and blending it out. Just so those colours really do blend together. Just want to make sure I've got really good coverage of that bubblegum shade. Making sure I've got it on the inner corner too. And then whilst I'm doing that, I'm just going to go in with a soft angle brush and I'm going to take the shade Orchard, which is a purple shade. I'm just going to take that underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to wet my little angled brush. And I'm going to go back in with the Orchard shade and pack a good bit on the brush. And I'm just going to go underneath it, get on top of that colour again. And this is just going to make that colour really stand out. What you could do as well is pick up a tiny bit of that deeper purple shade on your brush. And just apply that to the edges. And then the next colour I'm going to go in with, and this is just to add a bit more depth to my eyelid, and it's just a colour influence. I'm taking the same fluffy brush again and just going in with that, just defining my crease with that shade. You definitely need a bit of depth with these kind of eye makeup looks, so don't be afraid to go in with a much darker shade when you have such neon colours, because you don't want it to be a flat colour. You want to add depth to the eyeshadow. I'm just going to go in with a smaller brush, and this is a Zoeva Luxe Soft Definer brush. I'm just taking a tiny bit of that and I'm just going to bring that influence shade down a bit and into the crease. And just bringing it down into this part of my eye too. I've just mixed a bit of the lights out and the influence shade together, which is a black, and only a tiny bit, literally like one, whatever you want to call it, dot, dab, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to use that just to even more define out the crease. It just helps add a shadow. So then I'm going to take the Peaches and Cream Mademoiselle shade, which is a pinky glittery colour, has like really warm pink reflex, and I'm just going to pop a little bit glitter base. I'm just going to pop that in the centre of my eye, literally just like the tiniest dot. And it will pick up a bit of the product, but don't worry because you're not going to see it anyway. And then I'm just going to take that angled brush again, just pick up a bit of the product and pop that onto my lid. And don't worry if you get it into your crease because it'll dust off anyway. And then I'm just going to do the same on this eye. And again, just focusing it on the middle of my eye. Taking the Mademoiselle shade and packing that on top. A little bit of this product really does go a long way as well, which is really good because it just means you don't have to keep buying product. And I'm just going to pack a bit of that, whatever's left on the brush, pack that into corners. And that's just going to help blend out that. And because you have applied the glitter base, it does look different compared to when it's on top of the other shades. You can tell it has like a purpley reflect to it. It is amazing. And then I'm just going to pop on some mascara. So I'm just going to do my brows and tidy up my eyebrow area. So I just went ahead and popped on my Demi wispy eyelashes. I also went in with the Barry M glitter cream palette. I just popped that on my lower lash line. And I just gave a really nice iridescent look. And it's just this shade here into the inner crease. And just pack that in. I do find it applies better with my fingers, but for the lower lash line I just used that small angled brush. But for that part I'm just going to use my fingers, and I think it just helps tie the bottom lashes and the bottom lash line with that upper corner a bit better. It is quite hard to apply with a brush, I'm not gonna lie. You just kind of have to pack it in there. And that is the eyeshadows. So then just to contour, I'm just going in with my usual, my MAC Dark Deepest. And I'm just going to use that just to add a bit of colour and depth to my cheekbones. I'm just really focusing on this part of my cheekbone, and I'm not dragging it too far down. And just going around my forehead again. So I'm just going to go in with a bit of the NARS Orgasm blusher, pop a little bit of that on my cheeks just to warm up my face. And I'm just going to go in with the Starlight highlight, which is literally one of the most glowiest highlighters I've used, and it's really affordable. It's only 15, I think £15. I'm going to pop a little bit of that on my cheekbones. And then just do it on the high parts of my brows. I'm going to go in with this MUA lipstick in number 8. And then I might just mix it with like a pinky colour. A pink lip gloss actually. And then I'm just going to go in with the CYO Plumping lip gloss. I don't want the lips to be, and that is how I would wear a neon pink. Oh look, it just gives me really Barbie vibes. And yeah, I love this Peaches and Cream product. I just think it's so versatile, and the reflex in it are really nice. Like it has like this kind of like iridescent colour, but it also in certain colours reflects more of a red tone, more of a pink tone, more of a purpley tone. It just depends what colours you use underneath it, but I definitely recommend having a look at Peaches and Cream glitters because they're amazing, and I was obsessed. And that is a finished makeup tutorial featuring this super bright glittery pink Barbie inspired makeup look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it, and yeah, thanks.